If you want to download a OneNote notebook to your computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to pull a cloud notebook down locally on Windows using the OneNote desktop app. This is really useful if you want to backup, need to move your notebook, or just want an offline copy saved on your hard drive. Before we jump in, please take a second to like this video and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this one. It helps a lot, and it tells me to keep making these step-by-step guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your local OneNote desktop application on Windows. Make sure you're using the desktop version, not just the web app, because the export option we need is available there. Once OneNote opens, go ahead and open the specific cloud notebook that you want to download locally. This is the notebook stored online that you want to save onto your computer. After the notebook is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the File tab in the ribbon. This opens the Backstage menu, where Microsoft OneNote keeps the export tools, on the left side navigation panel. Click Export. Now you'll see the export options on the right. Under the section labeled 1, Export Current, click Notebook. This tells OneNote that you want to export the entire notebook, not just a section or a single page. Next, under 2, select Format, choose onepkg, which is the .onepkg file format. This format is the best choice if you want to download the notebook and preserve its structure so you can reopen or restore it later. After that, click the Export button. A system window will appear, and this is where you choose exactly where on your local hard drive you want to save the notebook. Pick a folder that's easy to find, like Downloads or Desktop, then confirm the save location. OneNote will create the package file and download the notebook to that folder. Depending on the size of the notebook, this may take a moment, especially if it contains lots of notes, images, or attachments. Once the export is complete, you'll have a local copy of your OneNote notebook saved as a OneNote package file. That means you can keep it as a backup, move it to another device, or import it again later if needed. And that's it. You've now learned how to download a OneNote notebook from the cloud to your Windows computer. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.